Dear student, today we are going to discuss objective type questions including multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, true false and match the column of class 7 social science geography chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is air. So before starting the video, I would like to request all of you like video, share video if you like, and subscribe the channel that is one mark solution. This channel is the solution of all type one mark questions. So now we are starting with the question 1 multiple choice question, and the question is which gas released in the atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect trapping the heat, and the options are carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen and all of the above. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Our next question is excess amount of CO2 is responsible for global cooling, global warming, both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer is global warming. Our next question is what are the important objects for survival of plants and animals? And options are rainfall, sunlight, oxygen, all of these, and the correct answer is all of these. Our next question is which one of the following gases is present in the atmosphere in the highest amount, and the options are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, lithium, and the correct option is C, nitrogen. Our next question is which gas is used by the green plants to make their food? Options are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, none of these. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next question is which is the important gas used by the human beings for breathing? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen or sodium chloride? All of you know that this is the oxygen. Correct answer is C, oxygen. Our next question is when the air is heated, it becomes lighter, heavier, colder, or none of these. As we know that when air is heated, it becomes lighter. Our next question is what is the average height of the troposphere? So troposphere's average height is 3 kilometer, 6 kilometer, 9 kilometer or 13 kilometer. So the correct answer is 13 kilometer. Next question is as we go up in the troposphere layer of the atmosphere, the pressure increases or decreases, or there is no change in the pressure, or all of these. So as we know, as we go up in the troposphere layer of the atmosphere, the pressure decreases. So the correct answer is B, decreases. Our next question, which one of the following gases protect us from the harmful sun rays? Ozone, nitrogen, carbon dioxide or oxygen? The correct answer is A, ozone. The next question is which of the following are part of weather forecast in the newspapers? Temperature, humidity, time of sunset or all of these? So the correct answer is all of these are the weather forecast. Next question is which element of weather is measured in degrees Celsius? Then the options are temperature, pressure, wind and gravity. So the correct answer is temperature. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next question, the water boils at 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Next question, where is the air pressure highest? On moon, sea level or stratosphere or exosphere? So the correct answer is B, sea level. Next question, what is very hot wind called? That is Lu or cool breeze, monsoon air, or trade wind? So the correct answer is Lu. Next question is, which one of the following is a local wind? Sea breeze, trade wind, monsoon wind, none of these. So the correct answer is sea breeze. Next question is, rain, snow, sleet or hail are the different forms of condensation, evaporation, precipitation or all of these. So the correct answer is precipitation. Next question is, which is the most important layer of the atmosphere? Troposphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, none of these. So A, troposphere is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Next question, what is responsible for the excess of CO2? That is global warming, global cooling, both A and B or none of these. So the correct answer of this question is global warming. Next question is, stratosphere contains a layer of which gas? So nitrogen, ozone gas, helium gas or none of these. The correct answer is ozone gas. The correct answer is ozone gas. If you like the question, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, that is One Mark Solution. Our next question is, in which layers all weather phenomenon occurs? Troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere or mesosphere? So the correct answer is troposphere. Next question is, in which direction the wind blows constantly throughout the year in a particular direction? So the options are permanent winds, local winds, seasonal winds, both A and B. The correct answer is permanent wind. Next question, which of the following layer of the atmosphere is free from clouds? So options are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, none of these. The correct answer is stratosphere. Next question is, the increased volume of which gas in the atmosphere is affecting the Earth's weather and climate? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next question, the Earth atmosphere protect it from flood, harmful solar radiation, deforestation, none of the above. So the correct answer is harmful solar radiation. Next question, the entire weather phenomenon take place in which layer of the atmosphere? I think already we have discussed, that is the correct correct answer of this question is troposphere. The correct answer is troposphere. Next question is, which of the following layer of the atmosphere merge with the interplanetary space? Options are mesosphere, exosphere, thermosphere and ionosphere. So the correct answer is exosphere. Next question is, the degree of hotness and coldness of the air is known as temperature, insolation, precipitation or none of the above. So the correct answer is temperature. Next question, which of the following gases is the third most common gas found in the atmosphere? The options are carbon dioxide, helium, argon and water vapor. So the correct answer is argon. Next question is, which layer of the atmosphere help in radio transmission? Options are mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere and troposphere. So the correct option is B, thermosphere. Next question is, which of the following layer of the atmosphere is closest to the surface of the earth? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere or exosphere? The correct answer is troposphere. Next question is, orographic rainfall is also known as conventional rainfall, relief rainfall, summer rainfall, frontal rainfall. The correct answer is B, relief rainfall. Next question, which of the following is not a form of precipitation? Fog, hailstone, drizzle and snowfall. So the correct answer is fog. Next question is, which among the following is a major greenhouse gas present in the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next question, which gas is abundant in air? Options are hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So the correct answer is nitrogen. Next question is, aircraft fly in which layer of the atmosphere? Troposphere, tropopause, ionosphere, none of the above. So the correct answer is none of the above. Next question, which of the following fact incorrect about weather and climate? Weather is not constant and keeps on changing. Climate of a place change on a daily basis. Temperature and rainfall largely determine the climate and weather of a place. Wind and humidity affect the climate and weather of a place. So A, C and D are correct and the option B is incorrect. Next question is, which of the following gases present in the atmosphere is important for the survival of plant? And the options are oxygen, argon, nitrogen and helium. The correct option is nitrogen. Next question, the amount of solar energy received by the earth is called solar energy, insolation, temperature, radiation. The correct option is insolation. Next question is, scientists who study the weather are known as astronomers, astrologers, meteorologists or none of the above. The correct answer is meteorologist. Next question, the release of which gas in the atmosphere creates greenhouse effect? Helium, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. The correct option is carbon dioxide. Next question, which of the following layer of atmosphere contains the air that we breathe? The options are exosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere and troposphere. So the correct answer is troposphere. Now we will discuss about the match the column. So match the column. So very first, the given question is, we have to match the column A with the column B. So temperature, pressure, seasonal wind, radio waves transmission and nitrogen from air, we have to match with the column B values. So the temperature is measured with the thermometer. The pressure is measured with the barometer. Seasonal winds are changes direction in the different season. Radio wave transmitter is help in thermosphere and nitrogen from air is a bacteria in soil. So this is the correct match for this question. You can see here. The next match the column is, we have to match the layer number with the layers. So as we know that troposphere is the first layer, then after that mesosphere is the third layer, then thermosphere is the fourth layer and stratosphere is the second layer and exosphere is the fifth layer. So this is the match for this question. You can see here also. The next match is, we have to match with the trade winds, low monsoon winds with the given values. So trade winds are the permanent wind. Trade winds are these are the permanent winds. Trade winds are the permanent winds. Low winds are local winds. Monsoon is uh, seasonal wind, and wind is the horizontal movement of the air. So this is the matching for this question. Now again I request like, share and subscribe the channel 1 Mark Solution. Next we will discuss about the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank is earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called, and the correct answer is atmosphere. The next question is green plants produced during photosynthesis, and the correct answer is oxygen. We have to fill here oxygen. Next, increased volume of dash is affecting the earth's weather and climate. The answer is carbon dioxide. Next, ionosphere is the part of thermosphere. Next question, amount of rainfall is measured by the rain gauge. Next question for fill in the blank is insolation in tune says the distribution of, the correct answer is temperature. Now we will discuss about the true and false. So the first question is hot air is dense and heavy and cold air is lighter and expands. I think this is the false, because hot air is lighter and cold is heavy. Next question, without greenhouse effect earth would have been too cold to live. The option is correct. Next question is ionosphere contains the ozone layer. The answer is false. Next question, helium and hydrogen float from exosphere into space, and the statement is true. Next statement is wind vane shows the direction of wind. This answer is also true. This statement is also true. Next statement is air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Then this statement is also true. So that's all for this chapter. If you like the video, press like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel 1 Mark Solution, where you will get solution of all type of 1 mark questions. Thank you so much.